Want to start a new business? Stay tuned for our step-by-step guide to get trained about the technicalities of a successful business. Welcome to the School of Coding's Introduction to Starting a Business series. If you've ever wanted to start your own business or turn your unique ideas into reality, you've come to the right place. This series is intended for novices like you who wish to transform their entrepreneurial spark into a thriving startup. Entrepreneurship is a thrilling adventure that requires more than simply a fantastic concept. It's about having a clear vision, understanding your market, and being prepared for the hurdles that come with starting something new. In this first video, we'll go over the fundamentals of entrepreneurship, including what to expect along the journey and how to build a solid base for your success. The first step in starting a business is to define your vision. Consider what problem your product or service solves. Who is your target audience? Your answers to these questions are critical in developing a business idea with purpose and direction. The next step is to plan. Effective planning includes studying your target audience, analyzing rivals, and developing a clear strategy. Yes, there are dangers associated with starting a business, but with a strong plan and great confidence, you can overcome them all. Remember, every entrepreneur faces challenges such as finance, assembling the correct team, and learning how to sell. Don't let these barriers stop you. Consider them learning opportunities that will help to strengthen your business. Throughout this series, we'll walk you through each stage of starting a business, from concept to launch and everything in between. You'll receive advice, learn from real-life examples, and develop the courage to turn your company aspirations into reality. So, whether you are a student, a professional looking to start something new, or simply someone with a brilliant idea, join us as we explore the thrilling world of entrepreneurship. Remember, every successful business starts with a single, small step. Ready to take yours? Stay tuned to our next video on finding your business idea, tips for brainstorming and identifying profitable ideas.